Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we'll be installing a muffler tip on this Toyota Corolla. It's a black, matte black tip, so it's gonna give this car the a nice look, and it's going to be a bit extended. As you can see, I did replace the exhaust on this the exhaust on this car, and it was a bit loud, and it was just too loud. So the new exhaust pipe isn't long enough, so for the first few days this place over here was there was too much heat coming out, so the bumper lip, as you can see, it's kind of black. I think it's because of the heat, so I cut it out a bit over here, and then thought of just extending this
Keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. There's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain poured out my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a blast for. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a blast for. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
It comes in as a 2-pack. Found them on eBay for 19 piece. It does come as 1-pack, not 2-pack. So I think I added another one. Just probably I can add it just to make the car look nice, but I don't think I need, or we need, two for this moment. So it looks nice. It's I bought it before, but it wasn't big enough. The exhaust is 2.75 inches, so I got the standard one, 1.5 to 2.5 inches, and it was too small, so I had to buy another one. And this is it. Looks nice. It looks great. Won't be loud. It's just for the looks. So let's install it and see. So first we need to take these nuts off.
But that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's
I don't think it's a must. I think you can do without taking them off.
when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking
a bit hard to turn, so you might need
Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon. Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rainbow down my.
Let's try and fit it in and then screw it. So we're gonna start by just taking off. I took off everything. We'll try and fit this thing inside. Kind of feel like it's still too small, but I mean this time round I have no choice but to force it in.
Some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rainbow down my face, but that's alright. I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, bind it to the blue. I slip to the right, bind it to the blue. I slip to the right, bind it to the blue. I slip to the right. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when I go, pretty afternoon, it's a fast boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back.
So it doesn't look like I have to screw it in, because or rather tighten it up, because of the I think the 2.75 inches, they were referring to this part over here, not this one. So I either have to get a bigger one or just push this in and probably just see how it holds up. Maybe drive around, drive for like 50 miles and see, and just check later and see whether it's still there. Hopefully it doesn't come off. So basically I just have to push it in, and also look around online trying to see if I can get one that's above 3 inches. Probably that's the best size, but if I don't, then I think this still looks great. I mean, from the outside it looks really nice. This is something I can just, go with. Yeah, and I think it is perfect. So let me just push it in and hope it holds up.
Came in and you're looking like a sign of grace. I know, but I can never match your name or face. My fault, I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted.
It does look great. I think this will work. I don't think I need to bolt or tighten anything up. If you have a smaller sized one, just if it fits, it's easy. Just bolt this part and the other two on the other side, and I think that will be tight enough. Yeah, so I probably will look around for another one that will fit all the way inside, but for now I think I'll just do with this, and I'll just get some knobs that I can just place on the sides so I can block these holes. So this is something you can do by yourself, so try it out. It's a cheap upgrade, makes the car look nice, and if you have the exhaust that's a bit curved at the front, like most of them, you can actually get one that's also curved over here, instead of the straight pipe one. And same procedure, same process. So I think that's it for this video. So if you liked it, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share the video. See you on the next one.